Hello everyone and welcome to Stamping Within. Today, very quick DSP storage idea. Aha! I have here the 12 by 12 page protector pockets from Stampin' Up, part of our Memories and More collection. There we go. There's a, oops, it's upside. Yes, there's a Stampin' Up bit there. And I thought, what an idea to store my DSP, my 12 by 12, design and series paper. And so I've been doing that, but it's kind of floppy on the shelf, and it's not very tidy. So what I did was I picked up a folder for it. It's a leather one. Got it from a big box craft store, and it's not a Stampin' Up one, I must admit. If I was doing a scrapbook project, then yes, I would definitely use the Stampin' Up folder, but it's just for DSP storage. It's not important, why have something nice that's just for, I don't know. Anyway, so in here now, it's kind of sorted into foils and sparklies kind of thing. And then it goes into retired DSP. So I have a lot to use up, as you can see, and then it goes into Christmas, and all the Christmas papers are together. So there we go. Just a little idea. I'm going to be buying another folder for my current DSP, and I will do another quickie video on that. The page protectors and of course a 12 by 12 Stampin' Up folder are available to purchase on my website, stampingwithin.blogspot.co.uk. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, ding 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 ding, when you subscribe, and you'll always know when there's a new video for you to watch and hopefully enjoy. So whatever you're doing, have a lovely time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.